What if the market in which you had investments fell drastically overnight? After learning that trillions of dollars have been lost, would you be able to sleep? You will simultaneously feel tricked and defeated. But this is the allure of the cryptocurrency market. It's erratic and might suddenly turn you into a king or a pauper. Social circumstances or perhaps even deliberate actions may have an impact on cryptocurrency crashes. Other coins may also be impacted by the crash of major cryptocurrencies. Here in this video, we will discuss how to use the massive crypto crash to get rich. The video is gonna be very interesting, so make sure you stick till the end. Before we continue to our video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss any of our future uploads. Now let's get started. On April 10th, 2013, US FinCEN, Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, announced that cryptocurrency exchanges needed to register as money transmitters, which led to the biggest crypto meltdown to date. Within 24 hours, the price of Bitcoin dropped from $259.34 to $70, a 73.1% decline. For typical investors, crypto crashes, dips, losses, enormous profits, and corrections are nothing new. For novice investors, this may be rather perplexing or frightening. Here are the top 7 methods for making enormous earnings even amid a crash. Number 7. In a crypto crash, use dip purchase. The decision to purchase during a crash is not an easy one to make. However, it has the potential to be efficient enough to maximize the profit. For a dip buying strategy to be profitable, it's necessary to have a capable investor who has done in-depth research on market movements in time. The cryptocurrency market is inherently unstable. If there is a reversal in the global trend for any reason, then any and all purchases made during a price decline will result in a loss for the investor. You will only benefit from it in an uptrending market in general. Number 6. Hold tight during a crypto crash. There is no one who can accurately predict how long a crash will last. The best thing a person can do during a crisis is to do nothing at all and just wait it out. You can do the same with your currencies by holding on to them during the crash. There is no point in having loss if you are not selling your coins at a price that's lower than the price you bought them for. In some cases, the best way to recover from a crash is to take no action at all. According to the opinions of the industry professionals, one's chances of surviving a market crash improve if their wallet contains currencies that are widely regarded as reliable. Number 5. Manage crypto crash by fiat currency approach. Exiting fiat currencies is one way to prevent crypto market crashes, and many market experts view this as a smart move. This tactic is employed by Crypto Asset Management, and Tim Anaking, the company's managing director, attests to this. Experts clearly demonstrate that a sound strategy and understanding of the market conditions are essential for this use. Both the time of entry and the time of exit should be taken into consideration. A cautionary sign is that you should only risk the amount of money you can afford to lose because big profits come with big risks. Number 4. Coin sorting, a way to overcome crypto crash. Borrowing the assets, putting them up for sale, and then purchasing them back at a reduced price in order to give them back to the individual from whom you have borrowed them may sound like an easy solution. The profit made or lost can often be easily determined by whether or not the price went up or down. The act of sifting coins might be a very dangerous one. If all goes according to plan, there is going to be a significant amount at the very end. But if you lose, it can take all you own away from you, because it takes a high level of ability. Only seasoned traders employ it. On many different exchange platforms, you will have access to the tools necessary to carry it out. Number 3. Opportunities in the dark. Profit during crypto crash. The most volatile market is the one for cryptocurrencies. The market may completely crash or grow, but they all follow the trend. Take it, if you are skilled in performing a technical analysis of the market trend, you can make money even during a crash from the little swings. Even certain summits are traversed by a fatal crash. It never descends directly. Use the short-term strategy of buying them at a low and selling them at a high. Never spend a lot of money trying to extract a lot here either. Apply several moves and move intelligently so that you can manage even if you lose. Number 2. Diversify your investments. Cryptocurrency is erratic, and no one can predict where it will ultimately go. The scenario can change due to any kind of circumstance, incident, or internet impact. Diversifying their investment is a habit of wise investors. Some of the coins are crash resistant. If your investments are diversified, you may be able to recover from losses when one item declines, or even during a market catastrophe. Switching coins and diversifying investments offers stability and assurance. A diverse mind is always looking for a more stable and prospective coin. Number 1. Rinse and repeat. A choppy market will exhibit the opposite trend. A crash will also bounce back eventually. Some professionals advocate investing, waiting for a recovery, then repeating. The simplest method of making money is through this. Patience is essential for successful trading. While having the guts to buy more, you still needed to wait for the investment to grow before making additional purchases. After you have sold any assets that are able to survive a crash, you can invest or trade your currency for new coins that have the potential to earn you a profit. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.